Y'all, I'm kind of embarrassed. But this is something that needs to happen because accountability. So I decided that I want to upgrade my space, and I went ahead when I was emotionally shopping. I went ahead and I bought myself a new vanity mirror and I bought myself a new desk. But here's the problem. Okay. Today's the day. I just constantly live in a state of clutter when it comes to my filming space. And lately, I've been feeling like I need to declutter my space. I need to declutter my life. Like, I just want to go ahead and declutter everything. It's like I'm looking at it and I'm really asking myself, how did I let it get this bad? I'm even scared to show y'all this space, but like, I feel like the only way I'll take my life seriously is if I expose myself and really sit in the embarrassment. Like, it's just like, damn, like, I let it get this bad. Why am I comfortable with letting things get this bad? Like, this is not okay. Not too much on me though, not too much. You also gotta remember, okay, your girl has been going through a lot. Mental and spiritual warfare that I have just been dealing with has been a lot. I'm not saying that's an excuse, but it's a reason. All right, y'all, so this is it. A lot is going on. I have attempted to start packing some stuff up just because I already have containers for it and I'm going to go ahead and put them in those containers. But my vanity is a freaking nightmare. I have everything scattered everywhere. Like, I want to say that this is proper representation of what my brain feels like, essentially. I do want to redo this whole corner its entirety, and I'm thinking I want to go ahead and get some wallpaper as well to put on the walls, just so then it literally is giving new me, new year type of vibes, right? Wish me luck. So here we are presently. This table about dirty as hell. I'm not even gonna hold you. It took me less than 10 minutes to like actually get everything off of my table. I think just the idea of cleaning this space was overwhelming me, which is why I was putting it off for so long, but it really wasn't that bad. I'm feeling pretty good right now. I think in this present moment, since I'm in the midst of cleaning, I'm going to give myself like a cute little 6 out of 10. I am starting to feel better because at least I did take out most of the clutter. Like before, this space over here used to be cluttered as well. It had a mirror and just something huge that was taking up a lot of space in here and kind of having me feel boxed in. So I'm about to move this table out of here. I'm going to go ahead and put the new table, which is what's behind the door right there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assemble it and replace the one that's sitting in front of my lights, and then I'm going to install the vanity mirror that I bought, which is also in that box right there. I've been getting a lot of packages this week, or for the last couple of weeks I should say, so mind your business. The table was super affordable. The vanity mirror that I bought was super affordable. Like, I'm really excited. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see my new setup, and hopefully I like the lighting. So I've gotten somewhere, we just got the legs together. I've been through a lot with this damn table. I didn't even know that this table came with a drawer. I'm about to flip this thing on over, set her up, and then I'm gonna unbox the vanity mirror. That is like my favorite part right now. I'm so excited. I'm feeling like Bobbiana the Builder. Yeah. I feel invincible right now. Like, I feel like I can do it all at this rate and at this juncture. Like, I mean, how could I not feel like that? I put a whole freaking table together. Love that for me. Nice. I love it. I love it, and how things are looking. I feel like y'all gonna love it too. I've also come to the realization that clearly I have too much stuff. So I'm gonna have to buy some more storage containers, and I'm gonna have to declutter again. But oh my God, y'all wanna see it? I know y'all wanna see it, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. So this is her. She's a little bright, I know. So the Vanity mirror piece is just bomb. The table is perfect. Funny enough, the table is actually a little bit taller than my last table, but look at it. Ah, it looks so nice. I love it. This was hands down the best purchase. So funny enough, I bought this vanity mirror when I was emotionally shopping, and coincidentally when I bought it, there was a beautiful deal on it. It is linked in my Amazon storefront in case you guys want to go ahead and cop. Original price listing was $89.99 before taxes, and there was a $10 coupon on the mirror, so I got it for $80 including tax. And clearly she is bomb. She's actually big enough to where I can see everything. I went ahead and bought a different type of tripod to have my phone sit on, just so then she's sitting at an angle and I can get away with like pretty much essentially filming while making it look like I'm filming into the, like I'm doing my makeup in the mirror, right? Like, y'all see the vision? And then I do love this because this LED mirror attachment does come with its own power cord. And then of course it does come with a USB space for you to go ahead and charge your phone on this device. It's bomb. And in case anybody wanted tea on the desk does at least come with a drawer, so I do have drawer space now. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to go ahead and keep filming with you guys and talking, because I feel like it's gonna be a lot easier for me to film now that I don't have to do as much work. But I'm really excited.
Several days later.
Okay, so this is what it's giving so far. Everything's been moved out of here so that my mom and I could scrub my carpets because this carpet's been through a lot. The carpet has suffered through hair dye, it's suffered through makeup, which is why you're seeing all of this, because this is all hair dye that I'm gonna get out the carpet one way or another. A part of me was also procrastinating because of the fact that basically the same week that I had to leave for Ghana, I had to get my dog put down. I've had him since college, so I have like a huge attachment to him, and I used to have a place for him in here with me, and it's been a couple of months since he died, and we finally cleaned up around where his cage and stuff was, so it's a bit hard for me, but it's okay. Prince did everything that he needed to do for me. I just wish I had the chance to say bye to him. Sorry, I don't want to get all sad. Anyway, energetically, it definitely feels a lot better in here. Absolutely better. So once I'm done scrubbing the carpets, I'm gonna fix my sheets so that my bed doesn't look so raggedy anymore. But yeah, thanks for going on this journey with me.